feeding unit control panel function instruction. This one, emergency stop. This one is the power on. When we start to running the machine, we need to first press this one. Then the whole machine will running. After that, press this again. First this one, then this one. The machine will running. This is the light. This one is the vacuum blower for the dust remove, 对吧？
对。
Yeah. This one is analog roller up and down. This one is manual. This in the center is stop. This one is auto. Then this one we put on manual. Here, this is manual also. When we use manual, we need to adjust the printing unit one by one. Okay. This one here. This one. Okay, let's back. This one is automatic. When the switch turn to the automatic, when the paper feeding, all the analog ruler will automatic down. This is auto type. This one is
在这个的时候，
when the switch is on the auto type, here every unit, every printing unit, the switch should be here. Otherwise, the analog ruler will not drop, will not down. Okay, all will come to this auto type. Every printing unit need to turn to here. Okay, let's see. This one is a paper feeding unit, paper feeding button. When I press this one, the paper board will feeding one by one. This one is the feeding model. Continue feeding and skip feeding. This one is a single piece feeding. When press this one, only one paper board will feeding for the testing. Let's see, this is the bed fill. 后档板是This on the carrier. When we press, this one is backward, forward. This one is for the holder, the platform, up and down. This one is for the left bed fill. 这个 This one for left and right. This is the right bed fill is for right and left. The other side, this one. Okay. This is the alarm. Speed up, speed down. Just now we see this one is a man machine start. This is a stop. This is the 正年呗。
整个whole machine engine.
Whole machine engine. This one is the blower control. This is for the printing unit. This is for the feeding unit.
And if you use this,
if we use this one manual here, use manual, all the vacuum will on. We may use the automatic type. When the machine is on, all the vacuum will be on automatically. This is the feeding paper roller gap adjust. These two, up and down. This is for the front backfill, up and down. This one, going up, and going down. Okay, 开始啊。This is a feeding unit control panel. This one is unit separate. This is light, on and off. This one is the whole lock. All the units were locked together. This one, when you press this button, and every unit will separately, automatically, one by one. After that, we press this one again. all the unit will join together. This one is a unit lock. Okay, let's move to the printing unit control panel. This is the freeze control. Forward, backward is the printing cylinder freeze control. This one is the transverse adjustment. This is plus is mean when we press here, mean the printing cylinder will come to us. This side. When we press this one, we'll go the other side. The distance is 5 millimeters. Cannot more or less than 5 millimeters. Otherwise, this one will be damaged. The printing cylinder. Here is you can see this picture. This one is analog ruler. This one is a printing cylinder. This distance is same as the printing plate thickness. We can adjust minus or plus. The pressure will be up or down. This one is vacuum gap adjustment. This one minus, so the vacuum will be dropped. When we press the here plus, it will up. So this gap between the printing cylinder and the vacuum transfer. This one is the ink distribute control. Here is off. This is on. When the machine is running, it must be on. So that roller will running, the ink will go all over the roller. But one situation is when the machine suddenly shut down. We need to operate like this, off and on. Then the analog roller, the ink distribute will start to running again. This one is to provide the ink will the roller damage the printing plate. Okay, this is ink distribute. When the machine is working, here is like this. On. Yes, on. This is on. This means the analog roller will keep on running. But suddenly, if the power off, when the power is on again, even here is on, the analog roller will not running, because if this running, the printing plate will be damaged. So we set this one, even the power is on, the analog roller will not running. If we want to the analog roller running again, we need to do like this, off and on. Then the analog roller will be running again. Okay. This one is for the analog roller up and down. When we working, the analog roller should be down. Analog roller down to the printing cylinder, up and down. Okay. Unit lock. This is for the rubber roller and analog roller gap adjustment. You can see the photo here. This is rubber roller. This is analog roller. This gap we adjust. Minus mean these two rollers separately. The plus mean these two rollers the gap close. This one is yes. One very important issue is when we stop the machine no working. These two roller, the gap we must be open it. This one, these two, this roller and this roller must be separately. Otherwise, the rubber roller will be damaged if long time they stay together. This one is the whole machine etching. This is the unit separately and working like this. Let's go to the touch screen. Here. Okay, this is the whole machine etching. Forward, backward. These two buttons. Okay. This is the whole machine etching. Forward, backward, forward, backward. This is the freeze control. Current value means is the printing roller, the null value. If the setting value is how much you need, you can press here maybe 300. After that, then you enter. This one the printing cylinder will run. This one start. Sorry, again. If we want 300, okay, we press this one. We press this one here. Start. The printing cylinder will be adjust themselves. Okay, this one is the transverse adjustment. The plus mean to face to our size. The here mean to the other size, the opposite size. Same setting with the freeze. This one we press 2 millimeters. Enter. Then we press start. The transverse will be adjust automatically. Okay, let's 看这个吧。Okay. This is the rubber roller and analog roller gap adjustment. The current value and the setting value. Same function as the freeze control. You press here. You can key in the size is 140是吧？ Normal is the 0. Then we put the start.
Function is the same as
Yeah, this function is the same as this one. Same as this one. This function, okay. When the machine is working, this gap, this distance should be 0. So the rubber roller and analog roller will stay together. The ink will not come out. This one is a printing cylinder with the vacuum transfer gap adjustment. The current value, setting value, we press here, key to put the size. Normally this size is the cardboard thickness plus the printing plate thickness. This distance. This current value and setting value. Then after you put the size, you press the start. It will adjust automatically. This one is an analog roller and a printing roller gap adjustment. This gap, the distance is the printing plate thickness. Here, we can adjust the size you want. Then we enter. We press the start. The gap will adjust automatically. 还有吗？这哪有啊？啊，这儿。这调节不了。啊。This parameter never change anything because our engineer all setting all the data in it, so no need to change anymore. No touch this one. No touch this one. This have the password is total is 81. 1111111. 一共 totally 81 is password, but do not change anything.
It's forbidden to enter this page.
Yeah, no change anything. 好，这个呢？这个看不懂。
It's to check the electricity part is working or not. This page is not for the workers. It's for our engineer to check the working.
哦，行了，没了。Okay, finish. Here you need control panel instruction. emergency stop, unit separate and combine. Vacuum transfer up and down, unit lock. This one is the dryer between the vacuum transfer gap distance, current value and setting value. This distance is usually the corrugated cardboard thickness is the value here. We just press here, key in the value you want, then enter, then we press start. This one will be adjust automatically. Okay. Slotting unit control panel adjustment. This one is the box height adjustment, up and down. Later we'll, after finish all this one, we'll go inside the machine to introduce the function again. Box height adjustment, minus and plus. This one is the freeze control, same as the printing unit, backward or forward. This one is the slotting unit. The slotting knife go to the groove. This one must be, the slotting unit must be in the groove. Otherwise, all the slotting unit cannot adjust left or right. Even automatically or manually, this one must, the slotting unit must be in the groove. Like I will show you this one. The slotting unit must be in here, in this groove. Otherwise, you will cannot move left or right. Must be here. Then we can adjust the slotting unit in this groove. Okay. This one emergency stop. This one is the unit lock. This one is the slotting gap adjustment. The slotting knife up and down, up and down. This one is the creasing up and down, pre-creasing up and down. This one is the whole machine etching. This is the unit separately. These two functions I will show you here. Okay, let's see. This one is this one is pre-creasing. 你看见了不这儿？ This one is creasing. Screen instruction. This one, parameter do not change anything. Do not go in this page anymore. This one all was setting down by our engineer. So this one do not touch. Okay. Let's introduce the correction of the slotting knife. One long time using the slotting unit, maybe some size, the actual size may be different with the touch screen size. So now we need to correction. For example, here is actual size, maybe 832.9. We need to press here. We press the same number. Press here. Okay. Then we press start. The correction will be automatically done. Same as 这是什么？这是主页面。主页面。Man page function settings. Man page function settings. Enter. First, let's to introduce the automatic regestion. Okay. First, we need to know the plate distance. The printing plate distance on the printing plate film, plastic film. Let's show you here. This is a printing plate. This is a printing plate plastic film. First, we need to adjust the sizes here. From here to here. This size we need to key in the touch screen. Just now is this size. We just press 放哪里？
这儿。
这儿 here， 对吗？
This value is
就这儿。200。
200。OK。然后就是。
This value will change in different situation, but this value is calculated by from this to this distance.
这是不变的。
可以变。
啊？
可以变。根据你客户自己的要求。
OK， 好，下。
你想200就200，你想300就300。
Okay, setting value after we finish. This is 200. This printing position mean the. Let's show you one box. Printing position is this size from the top to the first color. This distance is a printing position.
For example, this blue is a first printing unit, and this brown color is a second color printing unit. So this size on the first printing unit, this size should be there to their distance, and put the value on there. And the second printing unit, this value is, for example, this is a second color printing, so the distance should be there, and put on the size on there, and the others same as we showed before.
OK 了，没了。Okay, let's now introduce you. This function is for the slotting box size adjustment. We only adjust the slotting knife here. On this slotting unit, this function is only for the correction. See here, only this function, this touch screen is only for the correction, not for the setting. The setting is only here. We're setting all the box size for slotting here in this touch screen.
Yeah, if we want to.
Okay, now for example, we want to make this kind of boxes. Okay. Box length mean this distance. Okay. This box length is 440. Okay. This is 440 already. So here, 440. Okay, enter. Okay, the box wise. 190. Okay. 然后 box height. Box height 140. 140. Okay, the box flap. Box flap 这儿吗？这儿。
小盖儿。
10 100. Cardboard thickness. 5. Okay, this is the slurting. Actually, the box size, this is the original one. We no need to slurting. Usually, if the box you want to slurting, how much you can, maybe 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters. We can put here. We can put the size here, maybe 1 millimeter. Okay, this is the tongue. The corner cut. counter. 35. Okay, so all the size we take from the box, then we just press here.
哎，那为嘛它下边这些数值不一样？
咱们按钮。
哦，
You can see now all the size is last order. It's last order. Now is this current order. So we press all the size when press here. So all the size will be same as the size we put here. Okay, this function finished.
好，说一下这个订单储存这儿。
这订单储存啊。
这不有这个所有的整机的相位。
This is the home machine free start. This is the bed fill setting. Fitting start mean the fitting unit. Here is a vacuum box setting. This is slotting settings. That means all the size we have key in. We have put all here. So according to all these size, we can know the total paperboard length is how much. The width is how much. The slotting knife should be go how many. All here we just press start. Press the start. The whole machine will setting automatically. The bed fill setting will according to this size open and close. The slotting knife also. And the vacuum box setting, just now we key in the thickness of the paperboard is 5 millimeters. So the vacuum box setting we press, the box will go up or go down until the 5 millimeters. The freeze also the same. Then enter man control. Actually, this page not too much use. Only can see the how many pieces per minute display and the return to zero. Clear all the data. But one important thing is the freeze to zero. Before we use the automatic resection, we must press here. We must press here. Then we come to these functions. Otherwise the size will be not. Otherwise the size will be incorrect. One more again. Man control. Freeze to zero. After we press here, then we go these functions to setting all the values. Okay. Then we back to the man control. Here the color we can change. Total is 4 color, whatever you want. Maybe the first printing unit is blue, the second is red, the third is black, and the fourth is green. The color can change here because it's easy for you to check which unit is which color it is. Unit touch screen functions. This one parameter, slotting parameter and pressure parameter. No need to change anymore. Please take note. Not press this one anymore. No need to press. Okay, this one all setting down by our engineer. So no need to press this one. No need to change anymore. Okay. Here I want to show you. This is a correction of the slotting knife. After a long time you use the slot.